I'm going to show you how to fit a coax plug to a coax cable using just scissors. Now there are 4 parts, as I'm showing you now, to the plug. Those are the items there. Now what I'm going to do now is just to mark the insulation, so it's easier to cut, and then using the scissors to cut back the first insulation on the cable. Cut back the excess of the insulation, make it nice and tidy, as tight as you possibly can with scissors. When you've done that, just trim up and then cut back the next insulation very carefully, not to damage the inner core. Twist it off. Now I've already cut this to 10mm, the inner core that is. Now all we need to do now is to put the call it threaded collar. I'll just call it the top part. Now we've got to fit the clamp. That's an important part, and don't drop it. Just make sure that it's nice and square as you put it on. Just make sure it's all, that's it. And now we need to put in the insulation. That copper core goes into the hole in the pin. When you've done that, you can fit the body. Just screw it together, the top and the bottom, and make sure it's nice and tight. And that's it. So please like and subscribe.